10, 9, ignition sequence start, 6.
Hello, and welcome to Rocket Fuel, your daily update of everything that's happening in the Rocket Pool community. Today is June 22nd. This is episode number 200. My name is Wack, and welcome to Rocket Fuel. I'm sure most of you are watching have been here for a long time, and today is our turn to celebrate that. So, as you can see here on the screen, we have Rocket Fuel's 200th episode celebration. It's 3 minutes to go to the timer. People in trading are ready. They're not talking about the raffle, but they were talking about a raffle a few minutes ago. We were just comparing about how we won raffles and how they're so exciting. And SNG said that he's never won a raffle, so it's his turn to win today. Let's hope he does. Here's where we stand with the prizes. So there's 0.436 ETH. That's just off screen over there. That's worth $820. There are 63 RPL, which is worth $2,600 or thereabouts. We had a whole lot of people buy the NFT, like 200 people buy the NFT. Sorry, the poap, which is absolutely amazing. Let's have a look at what NFTs we have here. We have Rocketeer Progeny. We have another Rocketeer Progeny. We have Rocketeer Progeny, OG Rocketeer, OG Rocketeer, OG Rocketeer, Progeny. Then that's the the ENS. So I'm not giving that away. EIP Panda. There is EV Mavericks decal and LogicBot. So, thank you to all the people who donated here. And then also on Arbitrum, we have $440 worth of ETH as well. So I'm going to send that over to mainnet. All the prizes will be sent out over mainnet to the address that the poap that was in the raffle was held in. So there's just 2 minutes to go. As you all know, the prizes for this raffle are really nice. So we have the first prize is $1,000 in crypto, plus one LogicBot NFT, plus 2 OG Rocketeers, plus 2 Rocketeer Progenies, plus one EI Panda NFT and one EV Maverick decal. So that's a really nice prize. And the second prize is $500 in crypto, and then one OG Rocketeer NFT and 2 Rocketeer Progeny NFTs. And then the next prize, number 23 all the way to number 25, are $100 in crypto. That will be ETH until I run out of ETH, and then I start sending out RPL, and I will do that until I finish. Hopefully I have enough for 25 prizes. I have a worry that the token price coming down means that I might only have enough for 24, but oh well, we'll deal with that when the time comes. So now we're less than 1 minute away. Let's see what people are saying in trading. I'm saying less than 1 minute to go. I'm recording. Say hi to Rocket Fuel episode 200. Okay, so people are they're talking about Bud Light, so that's fine. And let's see. So we are now down to 23 seconds. So that's 19 seconds. Sorry. SNG says hi, Rocket Fuel episode 200. That's nice. And then the raffle is going to begin. So the way this raffle works is everyone who entered with a poap has a code, and then they divide out those codes, and then they kind of, like every block, they work out how to divide that. So the raffle has begun now. Participating poaps. Okay, so we've already had a whole bunch be eliminated. Yeah, so 7 of them got eliminated. I'm still in there. Or 8 of them got eliminated, I think. Right now the leaderboard doesn't count because there've been such few blocks. Okay, now we are 115 participants, so another bunch of people got eliminated here. Let's see what people in trading are saying. Rocket Watch is congratulating me. Thanks, they didn't really do that, but yeah. Let's see what's going on in the raffle then. Okay, so now we are down to 109 people. So every block, that depending on what the gas amount was for the block, then they use that to thin out the number of pops. So I'm still in here, Jasper's still in there, Nixo's still in there. I'm just looking at ENS's. Tennis is still in there. ShfRyn's in there, and Noshua's in there. Yeah, there's still 193 now, so we'll be getting to the prizes soon. Let's see if people are saying anything in trading. Pachinko noises into the raffles. Yeah, it just needs some kind of sound effects. Okay, let's see what the gas was for the next one. Still 93. Okay. Oh, we're down to 80. I'm still in there. Of course, if I do win, I'm going to skip myself. Nixo, it looks like, is out. ShfRyn is still in there. Noshwa still in there. Object is still in there. Ramana still in there. So there's a nice group of people. I'm just looking at the ones who have the contributor poaps because they're my faves. Those are the besties. Yeah, there's a whole lot of people still in there. I really hope that someone I know wins. That would be really nice. So we're down to 80 people. Let's see if anyone's talking and trading. Who's in? ETH Dreamer says, what the hell is rocket fuel? Okay, let's see if there's any more people got called here. Live reporting is difficult, commentating. You have to be prepared for it. So, okay, we're going to get another batch that's going to go out. No, not yet. Yeah, I think it's this number, the poap number that you have, that determines, and then this gas number here, that's what determines how you actually get how you make it through each block. And then 65 now. So I'm still in there, Jasper's still in there, Noshwa's still in there, Object is still in there. It looks like ShfRyn might be out. Tennis is still in there. Object. Oh, another one, 51. Oh, I'm out. Oh, that's a shame. Okay, so I'm done. Yeah. Oh, it looks like Jasper's out too. Okay, now we're going to get close to the prizes. So there's 25 prizes, of course. There's 51 people left. I'm out. Oh, ShfRyn's out as well. Let me see who's in. Okay, we're down to 26. Oh, wow. Okay, so now we get into the prize zone, pretty much. So it's almost likely that everyone here is going to win a prize. So Kenny and Ramana and ShfRyn and Dave Marley, Kevster, Whoa. Okay, these are cool people. Okay, let's see. We're into the prizes now. So here we have prize number Bruins.eth got $100. Now Viame got $100. Huarog got $100. Lilac Drive got $100. Let's see who's going to win the big ones. I really hope it's someone I know. Ramana's here. That's right. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we just got to wait till the next block now. But I really hope it's someone that we know that wins the prize. Oh, okay. Noshwa's still in there. Ramana's still in there. ShfRyn gets $100. That's nice. ShfRyn's also won the Rocket Fuel Contributor monthly raffle as well a few times, which is really nice. So it's nice to get $100. Ramana's still in there. Okay, we've had another bunch out. So Woe gets $100. Lino. Oh, we had a bunch go out just now. So Proof of Bake is out, $100. Lino 12. I don't know what that means. Woe, Beer Box, Whisker.eth. So they all get $100. Here there's a person with no ENS. So Noshwa's in there, Kenny's in there, Ramana's in there. Oh, Noshwa's out. Noshwa gets $100. Core Ethereum gets $100. Taiti gets $100. There's a whole bunch of people who I don't know who these are, but that's nice. They're winning prizes, which is really cool. Let's see who else is going to win here. Okay, I'm waiting. We have, there's another block. Okay, we're down to 6. So Ramana, $100. Dave Marley, $100. Address, $100. Kenny, $100. Address, $100. So let's see who's left that I know. Oh, Kevster. Come on, Kevster. I'm cheering for you. Everyone, of course, I'm happy that you all entered, but Kevster's my friend. So go, Kevster. Let's do it. Get that $100. Get that first prize. Okay, we're down to 6. So yeah, Ramana came 7th. Ramana's my spouse, so didn't win this time, sadly. Let's see. December. March, October, Kevster. Come on, Kevster, let's do it. Let's see what people in trading are saying. So it says, where are you seeing the results? The part of Ackee reveals the ranking actually reversed. Oh man, Ramanan's the Kevster in it. Missed by 2 spots. Ramana out. Kevster wins this. Wake up. Oh, did I miss it? No, I didn't miss it. Okay. Let's see. Come on, Kevster. Come on, Kevster. I'm cheering for Kevster. Okay, well, we've got to wait until the next block. So let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. No one got out. Oh, this is like 10 hooks now. Oh, they're all finishing with 5. Oh, it works with the last digit, and they're all on 5. So I don't know how this is going to work. Oh, there's a big sell. Okay, let's see. Oh, we're down to 3. Oh, Kevster is out. Kevster came 4th. Okay, so then there's Zinco. That's who I'm cheering for now. I'm not sure who that is, but they've got a contributor poap from March, so that's who I'm cheering for now. Let's see. These 2 of these people are going to get a really nice prize, and the others are going to get $100. Oh, Kevster came 3rd. No, Kevster came 4th. I'm sorry, Kevster. Such a shame. Oh, Zinco is out. So these 2 people I don't know. Ultrasound Monkey. I've seen that username before, so I'm sure that's someone I know, but I'm not sure who. And then there's just an address, so that's fine. Let's see who wins the big prizes. And there's this idea that people with the ENS are the ones that always win. Let's see if that's the case today as well. I don't think that's true. It works with the number that you have on the poap. So yeah, that's how you stay in or out, depending on what the gas used was. They use this number to generate a number that will then... Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's see who wins. We had, the random address won first prize. Ultrasound Monkey came 2nd. So that's really nice. Congratulations. Kevster's out. I should get an ENS. Yeah, so Ultrasound Monkey came 2nd, and 0x6C99 came 1st. So they won $1,000 and loads of NFTs and $500 and lots of NFTs as well. So congratulations, that is always lovely. I love these raffles. I'll see you all for the 300th episode raffle. Accepting donations now at rocketfuelraffle.eth. rocketfuelraffle.eth. Yeah, that's the address. So if you want to send a donation, they'll be in that address until the next raffle comes along. So yeah, I'll be sending out those prizes maybe today or tomorrow. I'd like to send them out sooner, and I need to bridge across the Arbitrum ETH that I have to mainnet and then send out all the prizes. So thank you everyone who took part in the raffle. That was really wonderful. Okay, let's move on to today's actual episode. So we got news from Joe overnight saying, good morning, afternoon, evening, node operators. Today we released Smartnode version 1.9.7. This is a recommended update for people using Prism and Teku, as both of these clients have new important releases that bolster the fixes to the issues causing non-finality in May. For other users, this is optional. And here there are a list of key changes in the GitHub, and updated Nethermind, Prism and Teku, and these are the things that are there. So you can go and look at this to get the full information, or look at the GitHub to get the full information, but it seems like it's just like a normal update. Unless you're using Prism or Teku, then it's just optional for you. I haven't updated yet, and I don't think ShfRyn even set up a poap for it, so maybe I should bother ShfRyn about that and ask him. But yeah, I'll bother him about that and ask him. And one of the interesting things in there was a version of Nimbus that was released just like a few hours after the update went out. So that's always the case. That happens like as soon as the Smartnode version goes out, there's one of the clients releases a update right in the same day. And this one was special because there was a contributor who we all know and love, and here it is. That's ShfRyn, sorry, and that's Patches, our beloved Patches, is one of the contributors to this Nimbus version. So that was really great to see, because Patches has been doing some really cool work. Of course, the Patches is the only external person who submitted to this. The Nimbus team, of course, worked on updates as well. So congratulations, Patches, for working on Core Ethereum client update. It's really exciting. Okay, Patches again here. We've got an update from him. This is about the rescue node. So he says it is done. And then there's a link to a Twitter. So let's see what is done. It says we have just released guarded beacon proxy, and then there's a link to the GitHub. It says this library is at the heart of the rescue node. It provides a functionality that lets us validate fee recipients' user credentials. Now any decentralized staking community can run their own rescue node. So the rescue node is a piece of hardware that Patches and a couple of other people run and manage, and it's used for Rocket Pool node operators to if they're having issues with their node, as long as it's turning on and connecting to the internet, then they can use the rescue node as a way to keep a testing, proposing, sync committees, all that kind of stuff. The reason is because it's like a fallback, like a remote fallback, and now that the libraries have been made public, anyone can build their own version of the rescue node for their own staking service. So anyone can go and use this now. So here, Patches, the Rocket Rescue Node team says this isn't new to Rescue Node, but it was a part of a rescue proxy repo which was specific to Rocket Pool. Separating this out into a library unlocks the ecosystem of Rocket Rescue Nodes beyond the Rocket Pool community. Please note the license is AGLPL version 3, so changes must be open sourced. So now people can use this code to build their own versions of the rescue node for their own services, and I'm sure that this is something that will be really attractive for people in the days and weeks and months to come. Moving on to the next story here, we have a post from Nick. Nick is a person who works for NodeSet. For those of you who don't know, NodeSet are building a decentralized layer 2 on top of Rocket Pool. The way it will work is that if you have if people will deposit their ETH and RPL separately or together into the NodeSet system, and then NodeSet will send that ETH and RPL to Rocket Pool node operators to run on top of their existing node and their validators, and then they'll take a small percentage of the fees out of that for themselves, and then the rest of it will go back to the people who deposit into NodeSet. So this is really exciting project. I'm super excited about it. So Nick here had an announcement today saying, calling all stakers, NodeSet is opening up a new position, senior development operations engineer. The job description will be found here, and then there's a link to a Google site for NodeSet. And it says the main responsibility for this position is building and maintaining software that connects thousands of Ethereum stakers into NodeSet's ecosystem. That means working across a wide variety of unique environments to support any number of ETH1 and ETH2 client combinations. And then it goes on to say Rocket Pool Smartnode stack, monitoring tools like Grafana, etc. Testing and deployment for this software is as much of an undertaking as the development itself. So advanced automation experience with Docker, AWS, GH is necessary. It's rare for a small team like us to have a position like this, but it represents a great opportunity for someone who's comfortable working in the hybrid role, both DevOps and software engineering responsibilities. If you or someone you know is a good fit, your resume to NodeSet.io. So, if this is you, if this sounds like someone you know, definitely reach out to Nick or send an email to the jobs at NodeSet.io, because they'd love to hear from you. I had a couple of people just recently as well, so the team is definitely expanding and they're doing some really good stuff. So I think they've got a lot of support from the Rocket Pool community and from the team, community members. That is all really great. Okay, I think I'm having some issues with my recording here, so I don't know if you all heard what I was just saying, but I was just saying really good things about NodeSet and saying that if you are if you have the skills, you should apply. I'm not sure if that recorded or not, so sorry if some of the things there were redundant, and sorry if I missed out some of the details about NodeSet. But yeah, click on the link in the description and you can read about NodeSet having this position open, or go to sites.google.com/nodeset.io/nodesetjobs. Reach out to Nick S in Discord if you are curious as well. Okay, next we had this tweet from ShfRyn, and they released the third poap design for the RPL client diversity website. So the first design, poap, was designed by ShfRyn himself. The second one was designed by Dr. Doofus, and today the third one we have designed by Sleety. And here it says, I switched from Geth to a minority client, keeping Ethereum healthy, June 23. And it says execution layer client diversity, and there's a pie chart, and it's like a rocket kind of pulling the numbers along. So it's a beautiful poap. Like Sleety is just so talented. Like I absolutely love his work, and like you'll see his work all over like the rocket fuel branding as well, because he did all of it. Just really, really beautiful work. So thank you so much for this, Sleety. I think the poaps will be going out on the 1st of July, and we'll all be getting those poaps, and then the raffle will happen at some point after that as well. So definitely, you've still got time to switch, so go and do that. On that note, I'm going to end today's episode, and I'm so sorry about the. Oh wait, I actually missed the story here. Hold on a second. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. So here we had Theodore from Ackee blockchain, who came into general, and he says, good morning guys, is there anyone from the project I can discuss a possible collaboration with? And Maverick says, good morning, you can DM me, and Theodore says, on it. So I always love covering these kind of like little interactions, because it just shows you how things are kind of happening behind the scenes, and we just get glimpses of it once in a while. But here we get an idea about Ackee blockchain. Now, I'll have to admit, I've never heard of Ackee blockchain before, but it's really cool that people are still coming by trying to build relationships with Rocket Pool, and that those are so often like reciprocated, right? And lead to really cool things. So I'm going to end the episode here. Happy 200th episode. It's definitely been like a landmark. I was saying to Kane in trading yesterday that this has been my favorite job that I've ever had. I've kind of made it into a job for myself, and with the grant money and donations I get, it's my living now, right? This is my job. So I really love doing this. I'm so happy that we hit this milestone of 200 episodes. The 1 year anniversary is going to be in August. I don't know if we'll do anything for that, but I think we should do something towards the end of the year for the 300th episode. Hopefully it'll be the end of this year. I think that's when it'll be coming out. So thank you all for watching, listening, subscribing, all of that good stuff, like just being part of the Rocket Fuel, like smaller community. I wouldn't be able to do this without all of you all. So thank you. I'm getting a bit emotional here, so I'm going to stop recording, but yeah, thanks everyone, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.